Hello, welcome to this Tuberank Jeet 4 tutorial. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at favorite videos and channels. As you're doing your research over time, you're going to notice that you end up going back to the same places again and again. So Tuberank Jeet makes it easy to retrace your steps and find your favorites. So for example, from the Discover button, you can just recall previous searches that you've already made. You can leave yourself notes in the paste box here as well by clicking the black banner at the bottom here. And as you're searching, it's likely that you're going to find favorite channels using the filters and what have you. And you're going to find favorite videos and favorite channels. So for example, you might really like this video here for its use of keywords and its optimization in the description and title. So if you right click on the title here, you can either copy the title to your clipboard or you can copy the URL to your clipboard. So let's copy the URL and let's go down here to favorite videos. And let's add a group here. We'll call this Keto. Add. And we'll open our group. And now let's paste that video URL and add that to our group. And this adds that video to our favorite videos list so we can come back and quickly consult it later on without having to do a new search every time. Now similarly, if we start seeing a trend that we like a lot of videos from the same channel, we can go to favorite channels and we can first of all create a group. And then open that group and we can add our favorite channel. And this adds that channel to our favorites. And over time, you'll see that you're consulting usually the same channels over and over again. And this just makes it easy to see what the best channels are doing properly, because the most strategic channels are not just going to do one video right, they're going to do many videos right. So by analyzing the top channels, you get to see what they have done best. So to click on this, we can see the channel videos, we can visit the channel, or we can remove it. So let's go ahead and see the channel videos. And you can see now that Tuberank Jeet is running some background tasks. It is collecting the videos from this channel as well as all the stats on each video. So it might take a few minutes to fully load. And here you can see for this channel all of the various videos that they have and their descriptions, their titles, their thumbnails, their keywords for every single one. So by studying these channels that are well optimized, you can take some of the best things that they do from each channel and apply it to your own. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks very much for watching.